Hey, what's up, guys? It's Joseph Tech here once again. So, in this video, I want to show you how you can verify your AdSense account or Admob account without PIN. You get me? But before you use this trick, you will have request for your PIN up to 3 to 4 times before this trick can work for you. Request for your PIN. Let me say you not receive your PIN within 3 to 4 times. You can easily use this trick to verify your AdSense or Admob account. So let's go there. So you can see here you're no longer showing hearts because the address verification process wasn't completed. Verify your address to start showing hearts again. So click on action. You can see my identity verification is done, but address verification is not yet done. So you can see address verification is not yet done. So immediately you click on confirm your personal identity to get your account ready to receive payments. So click on learn more. So guys, under this learn more, you come down, to having problem with your pin. You can see it's having problem with your pin. Come down to this place and you can see if you haven't received your if your pin hasn't arrived, review problem with your pin. If you have requested the maximum number of replacement pins and still haven't received your pin, go to pin troubleshoot. So for us, you just click on pin troubleshoot. So here they will ask you that is this your email? Confirm that this is your email. So confirm. So continue. There's a pin check arrival. Yes, I have received my pin and would like to verify my payment. No. You choose on no, you haven't received your pin. You can see here. Click no, you haven't received your pin and click on continue. So you can say contact the support team. Upon checking your account, it looks like you have already requested for pin 4 pins. In this situation, our specialist teams will able to help you for further pin verification. Please contact please contact through this contact form. So click on contact form. When you click on contact form, you put the name, your name, the name on your ID card and verify your to use to verify your pin. So here the name I actually use here is so the publisher account. So they will ask to bring your publisher account. Now you see your publisher account up here. You can see it here. This is a publisher account up here. You can see it here. And for you to get your publisher account, you can go to your account. Under your account, click on settings or click on account information. Under account information, you see your publisher account. You can see it here. This is it. Copy and come to this place and paste. You can see it here. So you are asked to submit an attachment or verification. Note when you are verifying your identity, you use a PIN. You use an ID card when you are verifying your PIN. So please make sure you use that same ID card to verify your address so it can be more easy for you. You get me? You use your ID card to verify your identity here. So make sure you use the ID card also, that same ID card to verify your address. So let me go and choose the ID card. So I'm using national ID, not NIN, national ID. All right, this is the ID here. Submission national ID, my ID. So already put it here. So click on, just scroll down and click on submit. You can see here this form has been submitted. You try and check your, so this thing not supposed to reach 5 minutes. Although they wrote we try and get back to you within 24 hours if your query is about your own account and require as an action from our side. However, depending on the volume of message that we received, it may take up to 48 hours or longer for us to reply. Thanks for your patience. So you can, let me log into my email here. They will have sent me email that my account is approved. They will have sent me the email. You can see here. You can see here. Hello. Thanks for your proof identification. We are happy to let you know that this fulfill the address verification requirement for AdSense. Please know that you may still see payment hold notification in your account. Rest assured that your PIN has been verified. You have to say, they've already verified my PIN, and notification will be disappear within 24 to 48 hours. Now you have, now that your account have your account your now that you are verified, now that you have verified your address, sorry, please ensure that you have completed this additional step in getting paid. So choose a contact a form of payment and check if your balance reach the minimum threshold, review your payment timeline, and you're good to go. So for YouTube publisher, your earnings for the previous month will be finalized and added to your AdSense account, and you get paid. So you can see my AdSense account is 100% approved now. You get me? My AdSense account is 100% approved right now. So thanks for watching this video. You can see address completed. Thanks for watching this video. If this video really helped you, please kindly subscribe to this channel for more video about Admob or AdSense. Thanks.